Hi, I'm Maria Janet, your mentor for today. Our sum. And the second one is our difference. Obviously because of its sign, which are the plus and minus. For you to find the cube of a binomial, first step is to find the cube of the first term, which is x. So we have x cubed. And the second one is to find the square of the first term and multiply it by the last term, which is y, and multiply it by 3. So we have 3x squared times y, or 3x squared y. And then another step is multiply the first term to the square of the second term, and don't forget to multiply it by 3. So we have 3xy squared. And the last one is to find the cube of the last term, which is y cubed. So we will have x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3x y squared plus y cubed. The only difference between the two is the sign, because it is difference. So we have some example here. So let's have 3x plus 5 cubed. So first step, we need to find the cube of the first term, which is 3x. So here. And the next step is to have the square of the first term and multiply it by the last term, which is 5, and multiply it by 3. And the next step is to have first term multiplied by the square of the second term. And don't forget to multiply it by 3. So here it goes. And lastly, the cube of the last term. So we will have 27x cubed, and we will going to square the first term, which is 9x squared, and we will going to square the last term here and here. So we have 25, and we're going to find the cube of this one. So we have 1, 2, 5. So we need to evaluate this one. We will have 27x cubed plus 135 x squared plus 225 x plus 125. So very